Assalamualaikum friends, today, our 40 square meter garden, from one of our small bands to folk songs. The exterior image of our building is as follows. Ceiling height is second hand. We used red metal tile on the roof. Our entrance door is steel door. These windows are Adu Ben 70s Accident 70s series. A 5 square meter door at the entrance of the pool. It has an entrance and is comfortable. It is made of ceramics and something like this. When we enter our steel container, we see the toilet and the bathroom in return for us like this. Then the neck of the toilet is lava. A way of showering has been completed. Let me show you somewhere. He used to say, is it laminate flooring? When we go out in this room, our open kitchen room greets us right there. Our show through these were done. Friends, we have completely determined this customer in this way. Why do we have these external electrical and external water connections? Thank you for watching. Friends, if you like the video, don't forget to press the like button. In order not to miss the next videos, if you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications, you will be informed about the videos. You will not miss them.